your belly.
Maria, wherever to find her.
I'm getting it out though. Come on, come out.
Oh my god, it looks like you're getting like molested.
Right? I'm getting molested by a teenager.
You go, Maria. You'll make a very happy one day. Oh my god, open it.
Is this gonna be on YouTube? You have a YouTube channel.
So your brother can kill me?
I have a YouTube channel.
So do I.
Yeah, there's a fucking belt in my mouth.
Shelly, say hi.
Yo, this fucking belt won't come off.
We're gonna find it with the scissors.
So yeah, in case you didn't hear,
Birthday. Buy some belly new
Shelly
belt.
has her bitch and she's been holding in her pee for 2 hours.
Her bitch, you stealing my word. Okay, say goodbye. Bye. 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 Bye.
Wait.
Damn, Maria. She's gangster.
Yo, stop fucking holding your belt. Getting it.
You're getting it?
Yeah.
Good.
Shit out.
Where? Where do you want me to pull it out with your fucking finger in the way?
This motherfucker. Let's go, bitch. You coming out.
Bitch, you coming out. You go, Maria. Ow! Be careful with those fucking nails, Peyton.
Yeah.
I'm getting had by 2 love.
Oh!